Hey people, in today's edition on Tech with NiiNana, I am going to reveal to you 12 ways to make money with AI. Yes, how to make money with AI. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. There are several ways to make money with AI as the field continues to grow and evolve. Here are some potential avenues. 1. AI consulting services. Offer consulting services to businesses looking to implement AI solutions. This could involve helping them understand how AI can benefit their operations, identifying suitable AI applications, and assisting with the implementation. 2. AI development. Develop custom AI solutions for businesses. This may involve creating AI algorithms, machine learning models, or developing applications that leverage AI for specific purposes. 3. AI training and education. Provide training and education services in AI. This could include conducting workshops, courses, or creating online content to help individuals and businesses understand and use AI effectively. 4. AI software products. Create and sell AI software products. This could involve developing applications, tools, or platforms that incorporate AI to solve specific problems or enhance existing processes. 5. Data labeling and annotation. Offer data labeling and annotation services. Many AI models require large labeled data sets for training, and companies often outsource this task to ensure the quality of training data. 6. AI research and development. Engage in AI research and development, either independently or in collaboration with research institutions. If you make significant breakthroughs, you may license or sell your innovations to other companies. 7. AI in healthcare. Develop AI solutions for healthcare applications, such as diagnostic tools, personalized medicine, or predictive analytics. You could collaborate with healthcare providers, pharmaceutical companies, or research institutions. 8. AI in finance. Create AI algorithms for financial applications such as fraud detection, algorithmic trading, or risk assessment. Financial institutions often seek advanced AI solutions to enhance their operations. 9. AI in marketing. Offer AI-powered marketing solutions such as predictive analytics, customer segmentation, or personalized advertising. Businesses are increasingly using AI to optimize their market strategies. 10. AI for automation. Develop AI solutions for process automation in various industries. This could involve creating bots, robotic process automation, or other intelligent automation tools. 11. AI in agriculture. Use AI for precision agriculture, crop monitoring, and yield prediction. AI can help optimize agricultural practices and improve overall efficiency. 12. AI in gaming. Develop AI algorithms for gaming applications, including character behavior, procedural content generation, or enhancing the gaming experience with intelligent features. Remember that success in the AI field often requires a solid understanding of both AI technologies and the specific industries or domains you aim to serve. Staying updated on the latest developments in AI and building a strong network within the AI community can also contribute to your success. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave your comments in the section below. See you soon.